how to log into your DGme Online Employee account. So the first thing you need to make sure that the application DGme is installed on a device. If not, you can also log in from any of the web browser. So let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for DGme Employee Login. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the interface where you will be able to log into your DGme Employee account. So first of all, you need to enter your login ID, which has been given to you while creating your account. Then the next thing you want to do is to enter your legal first name and the last name. And at last, enter the password that you have created before. Then simply tap on Login. And you'll be successfully logged into your DGme Employee account. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your DGme Online Employee account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.